How to make money on YouTube without monetization. YouTube is one of the simplest platforms for earning money online. If you meet the age and/or geographical restrictions, there are no additional prerequisites for starting a YouTube channel. AdSense is the main source of revenue for YouTube. You'll be compensated for both the quantity of views and the quantity of ads that are clicked. Applying for an account to use AdSense for making money on YouTube is not difficult after you have your channel up and running with some videos. But there are some challenges. So here are some of the problems in making money on a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is simple, but getting money from it is more difficult. You must receive monetization approval first before you can make money on it. Only if you are approved to become a member of the YouTube Partner Program will your channel be made monetizable. You must fulfill the following criteria in order to be eligible and approved for the program. First, you need 1,000 subscribers or more on your channel. Second, you have to reach 4,000 hours of cumulative watch time across all your videos. YouTube created these rules to ensure they only work with established and creative video producers. Many video content producers have struggled to meet these requirements and miss the opportunity to earn money on YouTube. Difficult obstacles to overcome. After making significant effort to satisfy these conditions, many people still fall short and eventually give up on making videos. Without knowing how to hasten their approval into the YouTube Partner Program, many more people continue to avoid it. Take heart if you're one of them. The news is better than you think. Through the YouTube Partner Program, you can generate income on YouTube without using monetization. It is difficult to complete the 4,000 watch hours in a year, particularly if your videos are only a couple of minutes long. So, let's look at 7 strategies to make money on YouTube without using YouTube monetization. First, affiliate initiatives. Perhaps you're already familiar with affiliate programs. If you aren't, there are other ways to make money by promoting goods and services. Amazon's Associate Program, for example, is one of the best affiliate programs you can sign up for. You'll typically require a website with a respectable amount of content. However, you can still apply using your YouTube channel. Before applying, you should have at least a dozen high-quality clips or videos with a respectable amount of views. 2. Write reviews of the items on Amazon that are for sale in your niches. The ability to insert affiliate links in the description field makes leveraging YouTube for affiliate marketing more advantageous. Therefore, encourage your users to click through and purchase the item you reviewed by including an affiliate link in the video's description. If you are attempting to sell software, record a highlight video of the free trial program running on your computer screen. To generate ideas, you might want to look through a number of different channels. Number 3. Join forces with brands. You might want to go this way if you're generating a respectable amount of views and, more importantly, interaction with followers and comments and likes. For instance, if you share advice on your company products, you might wish to apply to become an ambassador for a company. Due to the affiliate agreement, you might have to utilize their products, even promoting them, or displaying advertisements on your page or videos as part of the contract, but you'll get paid for doing so. Number 4. Advertisements for sale. YouTube has the right to air advertisements on your videos. However, you won't receive a cut of the money if you aren't monetized. YouTube receives all ad income in that case. Then again, nothing prevents you from showing advertisements. You might want to include these adverts either as films or still images with voiceovers. The ideal strategy is to approach nearby companies and make them an offer they can't refuse. You must provide evidence that your video content relates to their industry and that you have a sizable fan base. Employing the YouTube video editor, it would be simple to afterwards remove the advertisements or commercials. Number 5. Your products for sale. YouTube is a wonderful platform for selling both physical and digital goods. Basically, you can make informative visual content that features your products. Again, YouTube doesn't forbid you from providing a phone number, a link to your website, or an email address in the description or on the video itself. Before promoting your goods in a video, try to provide useful material for your target audience. Number 6. Advisory services. Additionally, you can market your consulting business through YouTube. However, be sure to establish your authority in the subject matter by demonstrating your knowledge to the audience. Encourage inquiries from viewers after they've watched your content. Before encouraging them to contact you, provide thorough responses to their questions in a comment feed on your channel. Gain your viewers' trust by providing them with free consultations. It won't take long if you start frequently providing helpful content to produce bona fide leads for your business. 7. Fund for YouTube Shorts. No need to wait for the YouTube Partner Program approval to begin making money on your YouTube channel. Check out the YouTube Shorts Fund as you work through the process of becoming officially monetizable. Yes, you can participate without being admitted yet to the YouTube Partner Program. Even if you've heard about YouTube Shorts, you might not be aware that you can profit from them by receiving a Shorts bonus. YouTube has set aside $100 million to pay out YouTube Shorts creators. How can you take advantage of this? In essence, you have to have posted a minimum of one YouTube Short video in the previous 180 days. If you're eligible after doing so and are from one of the permitted countries, YouTube will reach out to let you know you've qualified for the Shorts Fund. Leveraging the strategies presented here will empower you to generate money from YouTube without being in the YouTube Partner Program. Many YouTube creators who are not yet monetization eligible can use these techniques, but no matter your experience level or your status in the monetization program, you can take advantage of one of these methods to help boost your revenues from your content. So take a look and select the approach or the tips that best fit your resources and niche. Then launch right away and find yourself on the path to the financial freedom you've been looking for.